Energy Star partner Honda of America Manufacturing invited the U.S. EPA's Energy Star program to participate in an energy treasure hunt. The event was held at the company's power equipment plant in Swepsonville, North Carolina. Over 3 days, teams uncovered enough no-cost and low-cost energy savings opportunities to cut energy use by more than 15%, a savings of over $300,000 a year. Energy treasure hunts usually begin on a non-production day. That is, at a time when a facility is not in operation.
Normally, companies usually see their plants during production. That's the normal operation of what takes place in the plant. And everybody's in there, they're producing a product and it continues on like that, but most plants aren't seen on a weekend or a non-production day. And that's usually where the advantages are coming into a plant to really see what's happening is during the non-production time.
All we're doing is non-production day and one compressor is running fully loaded just to maintain the leaks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Yes. Should it be normal? No.
No.
Okay. And that's why we're in the process of trying to locate these leaks during non-production hours.
When I look at an air leak, this is just my thought process on it. If I can hear it within 10 feet of where it is, I could consider that a small air leak. If I can hear it within 25 to 30 feet of where I am, I consider that a medium leak. If I can walk out the door and I hear an air leak, that's a large one. So again, use your different senses, listen, hear, feel things. Just don't get burned if there's anything out there. But, again, this is the opportunity to look at that for a non-production time frame.
All right, this machine is currently on a non-production day, which does not need to be. So the recommendation is leaving it cut off. That'll be a big energy savings for us on the weekend.
It's a very intense initial information gathering. When you go to the floor and you see the actual condition, you come back and you see what kind of ideas you can generate from that information, and then it's kind of an iterative process where you go back and forth and get new information to back up something you saw before, or maybe somebody thought of something they didn't think about. So it's kind of an evolutionary process where you start out with some ideas and then you keep improving them until you get to a final product that we present to the senior leadership.
At the end of the first day, schedule time for the teams to meet and discuss their initial findings.
Of all 4 air compressors that run most of the time is around like $321,000, $322,000 a year. Some of our off-hours operation, some of the off-hours operation, we look at like $136,000. For just leaks, we calculated that the electrical usage is around 30% of that $320,000. That's $95,274.44 a year that you spend on leaks, just leaking air everywhere. So even if you can save 50% of that, you're saving a significant amount of money.
During the second day of the energy treasure hunt, the teams explore the facility during normal operating and production hours. Watch the next video to see what Honda's teams discovered and shared in their final presentation to the plant's management.